Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the latest movie Peddi, starring Ram Charan, Jahni Kapoor, Shivaji Rajkumar, Jagat Babu and others. The movie is directed by Buchbabu Sana and music is composed by A.R. Rahman. Let us talk about the movie. First, the biggest highlight of Peddi is Ram Charan. He looks completely different in this film. His rugged appearance, body language, and emotional performance make the character feel powerful. It is clear that he worked very hard for this role. The story is set in rural background and combines action, sports, emotions, and family drama. The movie tries to deliver both mass elements and emotional moments. The first half is engaging and introduce the characters well. The action scenes are one of the strongest parts of the film. The fights are very well choreographed and looks realistic. The sports-related sequence added excitement and keep the audience interested. Another major strength is music by A.R. Rahman. The background score increases the impact of important scenes and songs fit well with the story. Many viewers are appreciating the music after watching the movie. Jahani Kapoor performed well in her role and shared good chemistry with Ram Charan. Shivraj Kumar and Jagat Babu also deliver solid performance and add weight to story. Now let's talk about the negatives. Some scenes feels a little slow, especially in the second half. A few sequences could have been shorter. Certain characters could have been developed better, and some emotional scenes may not contain with everyone. Even though the movie has a strong story idea and screenplay is not perfect throughout, there are a few predictable moments that regular movie watchers may see coming. Coming to the technical aspects, the choreography is excellent. The visuals are ground and colorful. The production quality is very high and every frame looks rich on big screen. Overall, Peddi is good commercial entertainer with strong performance, powerful action, emotional moments, and excellent music. Ram Charan is the heart of the movie, and his fans will definitely enjoy watching him on the big screen. My rating for Peddi is 4 out of 5 stars. If you are a fan of Ram Charan sports drama and mass action entertainers, this movie is worth watching in theaters. Thank you for watching this review. If you are enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.